Notches and punches are used as templates to cut and relieve sheet metal walls. Notches are placed on the edges of walls while punches are placed on the interiors of walls. Each punch or notch has a specific manufacturing tool that is used to define its shape. These tools are reused throughout the manufacturing process, so capturing that geometry for reuse is important. To create a punch or notch, you first create the resulting geometry using the desired type of sheet metal feature. Next, you copy that cut into a user-defined feature. User-defined features are referred to as UDFs. That UDF is then used to recreate the desired punch or notch geometry whenever it is required in your design. This cut that we just added to the model was created to define a standard notch that is manufactured using a specific notching tool. To capture the cut geometry for reuse as a notch feature, open the Tools tab and select UDF Library. Then click Create. Type Custom Notch as the UDF name and press Enter. Make this UDF a standalone rather than a subordinate type, and then click Done. This change ensures that a cut placed using the UDF will not change if the UDF itself is changed. Click Yes to verify that a reference model will be created. This model will display and highlight required references when the notch is being placed to assist the designer. Select the sheet metal cut you want included in the UDF and click Done Return. Click Yes to verify this UDF will be used as a sheet metal notch. Press Enter to accept the default tool name. This is the name of the manufacturing tool used to create the notch. Make the notch symmetrical about the Y-axis, and then begin entering the prompts that will be displayed when the notch is being placed in a model. These prompts will tell anyone using the notch UDF what references must be selected to place it. When this surface is highlighted in red, we will set the prompt to ask for the selection of the placement surface. When this surface is highlighted, it will read Select the right orientation reference. This sketcher reference will read Vertical Sketch Reference Surface. And this horizontal reference will read Horizontal Sketch Reference Surface. Click Done Return, OK, and Done Return again to complete the creation of the notch. Now let's use this newly defined notch feature to create a notch in this part. Click Notch from the Engineering Group drop-down menu, then double-click the Custom Notch UDF. Enable the View Source Model checkbox. This will open the source model as a visual reference when placing the notch. Notice this surface is highlighted in red. And in the User-Defined Feature Placement dialog box, the reference is listed as Placement Surface. Select the placement surface on this part. Select the reference number 2, which is listed as the right orientation reference, and highlight it over here. Select the reference in this model. Reference number 3 is the vertical sketch reference. Select it here. And reference number 4 is the horizontal sketch reference, and it can be selected here. After you complete the feature, you can see that it's listed here in the model tree as a group named Custom Notch. When the manufacturing process utilizes specific tools that are reused throughout the process to add punches and notches, Creo Parametric makes it easy to create your own custom tools that emulate the process and reduce design time.